Okay, everyone, let's talk about annuities and sinking funds. This will be a two-part video where we talk about annuities first and then sinking funds. In reality, they are very similar, but the manner in which we deposit money and take out money is what distinguishes the two. Let's talk about annuities first. Okay, first let's kind of get an idea of what an annuity is. An annuity is something where you put money into an account, say $20,000, and over a period of time, you get paid money out, including interest. And the companies that provide annuities are insurance companies. So if you have term life insurance, the company that offered you the term life insurance, they also offer annuity type of accounts. I was curious to see what interest rates were on annuities to kind of give us a real life example. Here we have several different companies. This isn't an exhausted list. It's a group called Blueprint Income that they must partner with these different groups. But you can see here the interest rates that they offer, and you can see the terms here are 3.6% over 10 years. And let's take a peek at the details and see if this is compounded annually or has a different compounding rate. From what I can see here, it looks like it's just annual. And it looks like here that they do charge you a fee, but we're not going to be worry about charging fees right now. What we're going to focus on is if we do an annuity, we put in so much money and they pay us out money, how much are we going to get in return in the yearly payments, and what do we come up with at the very end of the term? So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's say we're going to do an annuity where we put in, let's say, $50,000. Okay, it's in our correct format, $, comma, before the first period, and then we got the period for cents. Okay, so let's do 10 years. We saw that 10 years is common. And we saw one that was 3.5%. Okay, and let's expect to take out $500 a year. Again, we're not going to worry about the withdrawal fee in our circumstance. We're going to keep this simple. And we want to know what our future value is going to be after the period ends in 10 years. And this is compounding annually. So let's go ahead and do future value. We've got our rate at 3.5% and 10 years, comma, our payment is $500. That's how much we're going to receive every year from this annuity. And our present value is negative $50,000. Let's do end of the year, which is 0. And you can see here, this is our formula. So we got our interest, we have our period, we have our payment, we have the present value, and let's see what it will be. So this will end up being $64,000. That's what the return will be on this annuity. Now, I do believe that there are forms of annuities where that differ, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We're just going to worry about this type of annuity. So again, this is we did the future value of an annuity. So distinguish that from what we did before with simple savings accounts. This time we're including payments. Oh, and one more note. Just know that again, the same principles apply here, that if we were to adjust this for different periods, let's say it's 12, we just do the same as we've done with others. And let's go like this too, because we got to account for our payments as well. So our monthly payments, instead of being paid annually, we're going to be paid payment B6. Let's go like this, divided by 12. Okay, there we go. So that you do have to account for the payment, adjust the payment to be monthly as well in this situation to get the right outcome. Look to our next video where we'll talk about sinking funds and address what a sinking fund is and how to solve for sinking funds.